Alright, this is the furnace room. That thing keeps me up 2 or 3 times a night. Can't get a decent night's sleep. The door wobbles back and forth, that's why I put the shirts down there. Bedroom, living room. And my little kitchen area. Mini fridge, microwave, shelves for food, and this is my furnace room. Now this thing here, that red box there, blows the heat and heats up the pipes. That doesn't make nearly as much noise as what that other one does, but I got the registers behind the couches because it's all piped in oil heat. So that's one of my pet peeves here.